Wow. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we have driven to the Ohio Ford Expo Center today, where we're going to be checking out the Ford swap meet. I'm here with my daughter, cousin Paul, and my son. You know, I figured I'd bring them down here and show them some of the things that we used to do back in the day. We used to swap meet pretty hard twice a year for probably about 10 years. Gonna take you guys through and show you what we used to do with the swap meet. You guys can check out some of the deals that we do, but you can see how many people come to this stuff. It's also Ohio State Michigan weekend, so it's kind of crazy. The Expo Center's over there, but the stadium's not too far away. This is the Highway Patrol Academy and whatever. So again. We got a little bit of a walk, but it'll be all right. So we made it here. I guess there's an antique show. Is that what they said? Mm-hmm. Antique show and a hockey game going on. It's like 60 degrees here though in Columbus. Yeah, this is where we used to park when we came to the O'Neill building. We used to have to, we would like load from these bays here, but I think they closed them off. We'll see if they're actually open. Yeah. All right, so we'll go around the front, but this is where we used to load the back because we had our spots back here. The last couple of years, we actually had been in all these buildings before. Spot meeting has been part of our itinerary every year for 10 years, 15 years. It used to be one of my favorite pastimes. Still is, really. That's why we're here. It's here showing my kids, and you know, my son was just making fun about, you know, I used to come home and he used to hold the money that we used to make at the swap meet. Here, you need to count it. He was like 5. My daughter used to watch it too. I used to make him count all the pennies and quarters. It was funny. It's good times. All Ford. See, there was always an excitement, wasn't there? Like you wanted to get set up first. See, they actually have a lot of overflow over here. People would just rent trailers or whatever. So we'll hit this one we'll hit this one first. Just see what they got. This looks like there's some Fox body stuff here. Some flywheels. 4-cylinder. What you got half of that?
What's that?
What you got half of that?
$20.
Do 10 on it?
Take 15.
All right. You got change? I gotta see her. How we doing?
Very good. Sir?
I'm coming over. Where do I get it from?
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so this is pretty much like your mecca of swap meets. So there's this building, and then there's the building next to us. And to be honest with you, this used to be like completely packed. You see what I mean? So there used to be vendors, including big vendors. You know, we're gonna walk around and I'll catch some of the footage on some of the tables, maybe us making some deals. But as you can see, I came right in, started making some deals because those bezels, unbroken, even though it didn't have the rubber, kind of hard to get. So this, let me also add to it. This used to be, like I said, really tight, like the vendors and everything. So this is where like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist used to kind of feed into this stuff, and then like over the time, you know, it's been lost. So this is kind of like a lost art that I kind of wish would come back, as you can just make some deals and have some good, you know, make relationships with people. We've made a lot of friends down here before, had contacts.
It's a nice coupe quarter.
Where?
In the guy's arm, he just bought it.
How much do you pay for it?
I don't know.
That's what we need to find, dude.
I am looking for emblems.
Oh, look at this. Woo. Oh boy.
Can I open the door here? Oh, this got you.
Go ahead. All right, so we're here, you know, with so you got this Cobra here for
Yep.
26,000.
Yep.
This is pretty. Is there anything?
Nothing known wrong with it. It is a salvage title. Has 118,000 miles. Never taken the back.
Okay,
It's
so
a substandard paint job. That's about it.
no, that's okay.
It's not original paint. Car's been painted.
No, original decode.
Oh yes, it is a decode.
So this is the guy's name and phone number if you guys are interested. You know, again, salvage, but it's fixed.
Yep. And you can't. Every spot weld looks factory on it. It's straight as an arrow. The car's been sandblasted and painted underneath.
Nice.
Most of the original parts are there. It's got the wrong vacuum tee, wrong mass air.
Right. It looks
Shit like that.
that's okay.
That's
So,
like 26 grand, not 36 grand.
right. What can we do on these windows? We already kind of made the deal.
Yeah. I don't
So
know.
what were we thinking? Maybe you do 200 on the bundle?
Yes.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So he was at Foxtoberfest at the swap meet, so make sure he's there. Make sure you guys check him out next time you're at Foxtoberfest.
We'll be at the next one.
Yeah, hell yeah. Appreciate it. So I'm gonna leave this stuff here. You get you paid. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Now you gotta remind me. I'll give you a free t-shirt.
All right.
I'm gonna go over here and check. This is your stuff down here.
All that stuff, yeah.
The red van.
Yeah.
Oh man, I can't go nowhere, bro. All right, so this guy's got the authentic Celine. He's making knobs.
That's a reproduction.
That's a reproduction. And this is the one you make.
No, that's a real one.
And this is a real one. And you can literally see they're the almost exact. You can see how nice that is. Look at that leather. These are all genuine leather.
Yeah. Oh no, that's vinyl, and so are the originals. Notice this one's glossy.
Uh huh.
Celine clear coated them at the factory. So Celine got them looking like this from Amco.
Okay.
And then they clear coated them. So this is a used Celine knob.
This is awesome.
This is an OEM, never installed Celine knob, and that's my reproduction.
Go. I gotta get that. It's good to see you. You guys know the 3,000 horsepower Maverick? That's the man right there. It's only 3,000 horsepower. I mean, he's got enough horsepower for about 10 Fox bodies. What are you doing here? Just hanging out with Nate? Where'd Nate go? What up, Nate? It's my boy Nate. Nate's Fox Body Mustang Parts. It's good to see you out here. Did you pick anything good? I walked in here picking. Ask these guys. I walked in here like, I seen an 87, 89 bezel. I bought his, all his over there.
I got 3 cargo shades up.
Did you, how much you pay for them?
Hey, that's trade secret.
I don't care anymore, man. Does it really matter? That's what we're here to do, is find some fucking car parts. How much you pay for them? What, 75 bucks, 80 bucks? For all three?
Stuff.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did. You come here, you bundle. I was like, what you want on this equalizer thing? He was like, 200 bucks or 100 bucks. So I was looking at the quarter windows. I'm like, what you want for all this package?
You missed it next door.
Was it really good?
Blue tarp.
Tarp?
Stuff. $1 a piece.
I knew this guy was gonna come down here and buy all this stuff. That's all right. We got some good news. I appreciate you guys. All right, what we got here? Oh, is this your little stash over here?
That's the front headliner.
There you go. I can't believe you got
That's
that.
my whole pile back there against the wall.
It's all good. I'll take the shit you don't.
I slapped you seconds.
Here we go. All right, so you got a little car corral over here too. This is kind of a neat little setup. And I got cousin Paul. Cousin, did you go that way? Hey, let me know. Come back and get me. But he loves doing that. They usually sell cars here. This is, like I said, this is like a lost art. I have a good time every time I come here. You guys see what we do here? We used to be set up over here. This one used to be my booth. Right there, I used to have like 5 spaces from one pole to the other, those 2 poles or whatever, and we were just loaded with Fox body parts. It was ridiculous. So, definitely cool stuff. What's going on, man? How are we doing?
Good, man.
It's good to see you. Nice shirt.
Get the car rolling.
Yes. Trying not to get killed in it. But yeah, this used to all be full of cars that they would bring in from the back here. And this is just something that I miss the most, because you used to be able to come here on a weekend, with your family and just pick parts that people didn't want in their garage anymore, you know? Stuff that they were, you know, getting rid of pretty cheap. And do what?
I didn't look down this side.
This aisle right here. Got some old parts over here. How we doing? No, it's good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
I used to be set up right here.
Right. Yeah, I remember.
And then I think you were right. Yeah, you were.
I've been here the whole time. I haven't moved. Well, I take that back.
I thought you were moved, and then it's been so many years.
But you were set up right behind me.
So this is a tool guy. We used to get a bunch of tools here when we were here. How you doing? You doing good?
Yeah. Fine.
What's going on,
What
man?
are you doing, man?
I've been watching some of your shows and stuff.
You don't mind me putting you on right now, right?
Okay.
I think one of these old school trick clothes.
No, they're
I know.
Performer RPMs.
Oh,
You don't even set up there no more, do you?
no. Yeah, we just come down here to pick some stuff. Came down here to show my kids what used to be.
Really
I
big.
mean, the pay. Didn't it used to be 3 buildings full?
Four, actually.
4. There was just so many car parts that you couldn't go through here in one weekend and see them all. But now
Crowd, you mean?
Yeah,
I've been doing it since the 80s. I was one of the first members. Used to be like this through here.
yeah, it was. I remember because I've sold here
You
for.
got the internet.
as soon as you open the door, you can even move in your spot, really.
Nope. You had to ask people to move so you can get to your shit. You got here late, God willing, you got here late. Bad news for you. Because you had to work your way through a crowd just to set up. Is this all your stuff?
Yeah.
Terminator X? Is that the ECU then?
Yeah.
What are you trying to, oh, it's the whole thing. Did you take it out of a car?
Yeah, I bought a Lightning, but all that came with it.
Oh, the X
I'm
did?
looking for the Lightning back.
Something I put you in, make you drive it, Mason. All right, so we have made it through the first round, and then we got another building we're gonna go to where I'm gonna shoot some film. What do you think? Isn't this crazy?
Yeah.
So we're gonna head over here to the Voinovich building. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Old school, so Holly said here. What are you doing? Are you here selling?
Yeah.
Where you at? Fox buy stuff?
Some, I ain't got much left.
Oh,
I didn't bring a bunch. I just brought trick load this time.
that's all right. What, you right here? Is this your lower?
Yeah. Like $20 for it lower.
I'll take that. You got the upper to it? You got the upper to it?
Just that lower.
Okay, I'll take that for 40. 40 bucks. So we ended up picking up another dash piece. These pieces are hard to get because the clips and the little rubber things are kind of the important part. So like that's really important for the restoration part of it. Let's go over here and see what Nate's trying to pick up. Trying to put that coupe back together.
We're talking big black Ford stuff over here.
What's that mean?
grown-up stuff.
That's so he ended up doing is because of Paul. This was the dollar section, so he ended up picking a bunch of little dumb shit just that are always broken.
So every time I buy something,
He didn't want to be on camera. No, I won't put you on. You want me to put you on?
Roman Atwood got me once.
What's that?
Pacemaker.
Oh yeah?
You don't want to be on camera? No, I don't want to be on camera.
These are actually really good control arms, to be honest. The grip ones. That's what's on the black car. So. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for this video. We picked a bunch of random stuff that we usually mess around with at the shop. Nothing really of an importance. Got some old equalizer stuff. That's kind of rare to find. A couple notch back windows or whatever we're about to wrap up, but that's pretty much all we got for you. We're gonna head over to Hound Dog's Pizza here in Columbus. If you ever come back through Ohio into Columbus, you're gonna definitely want to check out Hound Dog's Pizza. It's really good stuff. So what do you guys think?
It's good.
What'd you think?
It was like really good.
Well, because of Paul. Tell you what, swap meet picking's been something that's been in our blood for a long time, and I sure miss doing it. And this is gonna probably make me rethink doing it again, because we could literally set up the car, set up the merch, and maybe sell some stuff at the swap meet, just to kind of be with the people. You know, this is what I used to do a long time ago before I had any sort of YouTube channel. So, if you guys enjoy this sort of stuff, make sure you hit that like and subscribe on the way out. Check out that join button for membership, as the channel members have perks to the channel. But outside of that, I just appreciate you watching. See you soon in the next video. All right, bonus footage. We're gonna go into Hound Dog's Pizza. This is kind of a little staple place that we used to eat when we'd come down here for a swap meet. So let's go eat some food and watch the Ohio State game. We'll see you guys soon.